One of the 3 key priorities for the Police and Crime Commissioner in Dyfed-Powys is that harm is prevented. We want to prevent harm to individuals and communities caused through crime, antisocial behaviour and vulnerability. Why is this important? We need to reduce the number of incidents within our communities and develop our use of early preventative action and problem-solving approaches. How? Through a reduction of crime and antisocial behaviour in all communities, tackling the threat of serious organised crime and exploitation, reducing fear of crime, listening and dealing with local community priorities, developing relationships with young people, prevention services, effective protection of vulnerable people, and addressing the fatal 5 main causes of road traffic collisions. What does this mean for communities? Visible and proactive policing services both in the physical and cyber world. Working together to tackle the root causes of crime and antisocial behaviour. A public health approach to high community harm problems, including substance misuse, violence against women and girls, and mental health. A child-centred approach to improve their life chances. And improved road safety. For more information on the Police and Crime Commissioner's vision and priorities for Dyfed-Powys, download the Police and Crime Plan from our website.